YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Thrax and I am back in the building once again. We got another banger coming y'all way. Today we're gonna be organizing my drop front cases. I got all my shoes back there and they are a mess. So I'm gonna take all of those out and I'm gonna show y'all how to go from this to this. Y'all already know the drill. If you're new here, y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you for coming back. Y'all go ahead and lock in with me. Woo-wee. All right, y'all, so I definitely got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna be taking all of these right here and organizing them, and then taking all of those out of the drop front cases. I'm gonna be organizing those as well. I think I'm just gonna go with the theme where it's like, you know, ones here, twos here, threes here, you know, so forth and so on. But without further ado, let me go ahead and get started, man, because I got a lot of work to do. Alright, first things first, y'all. I gotta go ahead and get all of those shoes pulled out of those cases, get them down on the floor, and then try to get them organized into a system so I can have like the ones, the twos, the threes, the fours, so forth and so on. And then probably on the back end, I'll have like all of my running shoes, my basketball shoes, things like that. So let's go ahead and see if we can get that started. Alright, y'all, that took a little bit out of me. Your boy is tired now, but I gotta keep pushing. I gotta finish this. Alright, y'all, this is what 52 empty drop cases look like, and then that's what it looks like when you empty all of them out. Boy, I got way too many pairs of shoes, but I do this for the culture, man. I love this, so I gotta go ahead and clean these up. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I know y'all see that heat in there, bro. Y'all, look at this. What they say the first step to addiction is like admitting that you have a problem. I might have a slight problem, man, but this is so cool, man. This is my first time actually laying all of these out and getting to see my collection in order like this, man. This is wild. And I can actually take y'all through some of the dates. Like this pair right here, that was my first pair that I bought in Japan. I really got that with my own money. That's my first pair that I really invested in, and from there it just got me started, man. That's another pair that I got over in Japan right there. And a little bit of these pairs. This pair I got from England. Both of those pairs, actually, I got both from England. I even got like this pair over here. That's one of my videos that first kind of got up into the numbers, man. My first, you know, multiple thousands of views. That was the video right there, man. And see, what's crazy about this is that that's not even it, man. Like, I got all those over there. I got shoes in boxes over here. I got some up there. I mean, it is shoes everywhere in here, man. Every single place that I turn, there's shoes here. And then this is not even it in my room. I even got some more that's over in my closet, but it is wild in here, man. Y'all see all the shoes that are in here, and I just need to get them organized so I can feel a little bit better and be at peace about how everything looks in here. All right, y'all, I am almost done with all this. I'm actually about to go ahead and throw these back in these drop front cases, and then when I get done with that, then I'll go ahead and get back with y'all. All right, y'all, I am finally done. I got all this shoe organizing done. I got some shoes back here on this side, And then as y'all can see, I also got some shoes back here on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a quick little preview of how my room looks. Not gonna go too in depth, not gonna give y'all a shoe tour or nothing like that. But I am gonna let y'all see how this came out because I think it came out pretty good. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I started with the 1s up here. Got my 3s, my 4s, 5s, 6s. Go back up to the top. Then we're gonna have 7s, 8s, pair of 9s, pair of 10s, on my 12s. Left my 11s out, I'll show y'all why in a minute. Got my 13s all lined up right there, 14s, one pair of 15s, so bad. I'm gonna get me one. Then I got my phone posits, and then some more phone posits down there as you can see as well. And then I got my Air Force Ones, and then I got a couple pair half cents up there too. Those are also phone posit, but just got them up there. All my Air Force Ones, those are all my low tops. Then I got my Bapes in there because they look like low top ones. And then I got my high tops, or the colorful ones, I guess. All my white ones, they like up under my desk. I wear those like daily drivers basically. And then we come back over here, I got like some LeBrons right there. And I got more LeBrons, more phone posit type stuff. Barkley posits, LeBrons right there. Got me the gloves. I wish I had my OG gloves, but it is what it is. CMO stole them, it's all good. And then we got my Bay Crew Worlds. We got those olive things right there, the Packers colorway. And then, you know, one of my runners, the little Sunburst Vapor Max, and then a pair of 7s. I ain't really gonna be wearing them. I might be getting rid of them soon, so if y'all want those, hit me up. And then I just got some random pairs sitting over here. I gotta clean those up for a homeboy over there. I got my Pippins, my pair of 11s right there. I got those out because I wear those a lot. Like, those are like a beater shoe for me. You know, I got another pair of LeBrons right there. Got Harley shoes right there, sitting right there. So I gotta find somewhere to put those. I'll probably put them on display somewhere up there. And then I got my pair of Area 51 Shoutout 5000s right there. All right, y'all, and then last but not least, I got all of my clear cases that my mom got me. Shout out to my mom, my sister, my dad, everybody down in Georgia that's been helping me out with this journey. I got my shoes over here. I got a hat just setting up over there. That's not where I keep my hats, but I just hung that hat over there because I was wearing it one day. Got my computer. We got a little rose looking light fixture over there. That's GoV. If y'all want that, I can link that down in the description below. Got my Bob Marley tag. And then we got all my Nike One boxes up there as well with my Funko Pops. I got my Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, LeBron James, and then the GOAT, save the best for last. All right, y'all, that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Y'all check out ThraxDotKix.com. This has been ThraxDotKix and I'm out.